Welcome to MC App Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a picture using PhotoGrid. So let's start. To edit a picture, click the edit or the red button here below. Then go to photos and look for the photos you want to edit. For example, this photo. Now the photo that we selected are imported into the canvas. First, we're gonna format the layout of the photo. Oops. Here we're clicking the layout form below. So when you click that, it will show the different format available in this app. The one with the crown is for the premium user, and the one without the crown is for the free user. Okay, you see here there are a lot of free template that we may use, like this one, there's a lot. You want a diamond or some lines like that, this, that, and there's also Winnie the Pooh here. Actually, you may move the picture inside the template to make it look much more beautiful. Then that's the layout. So see here, we have like octopus, we have a like rock, hands, some skull here, and a crown. So that's all the free template that we may use. Let's just stick here at the basic temp layout. Then let's move the picture to the center. Next is we can also change the border here. This button is to the resizing of the picture proportionally. And this one is you can have a border, curved border if you hover this. So I think this is the degree of curve that you can change. Let's enter it. And also we have here this one. So for the canvas border design, you see it changes here at the top here. There's a lot of free designs here. For now, let's just stick to this and click check.
We are now serving patient OB1002.
Okay.
Please proceed to OPD waiting area. We are
Next
now serving
is
patient
the ratio. So this one is for the canvas size. If you want, there's a different ratio here. This one is at the Y by 1 by 1 ratio, which is good for the Instagram. Maybe that's the profile. This one, there's also 5 Instagram, 9 by 16. So if you going to to put it in the YouTube, you can click this one and it will fit exactly the ratio of YouTube have. Okay. So let's just set it in the original, then this is the ratio. So we can also crop the picture. Maybe we just lessen the excess background, then click OK with that, then that's it, that's the crop. Okay, now we also have here rotate, where you can rotate the actual picture. Here is the negative 10 degrees, it will rotate to the left with negative 10 degree deduction. Okay, let's just move here. There's also mirror if you want to flip it to the other side. There's also have a flip and rotate. Okay, that's it, that's the rotate. Next is the background here. For right now we have already background. It's the background of it, and you may change this to this one. Oh, something red. That's the background. You have a lot of background here. You can choose a lot of free background. Choose. Okay. Okay. So that's the background. You can also use blur. Sure.
We are now serving patient HN1004. Please proceed to OPDIN, DR Roman. We are now serving patient IN1001. Please proceed to OPDIN.
Oh, it's going to blur the background if you set the blur. Okay. And you can add text here. Then you can also format the text. You can change the font. The font here. Oops. Maybe here to make see it. Oops. Change the font depending on what you want. So you can also change the color. The red and the pink. You can also change the style, which is the border. You see that there's a black border thickening at the side of the text. So we have here a shadow, which you can move here and make it spread here at the right side by dragging the circle button. You can also change the color of the blur, green or blue something. You can also put a background on it like that, or none. If it's none, let's reposition the text here by dragging it. And then that's the text. You can also add another image if you want. To the grid, it will be a grid photo. You add another picture. Okay. You can also add sticker. We have a lot of sticker. You can use this one, or you can look in the GIF and in the internet. There's a lot of photo that you may sticker that you may use here. Let's remove this one by clicking the X. And you can also resize or flip this one to size. Yeah, alright, that's it. Okay. Then that's the sticker. You can also filter. There's VG filter. We have a rosy. Then there's a natural color, and then a glossy one, light, fresh. I think this one rose is good. Click the OK if you want that color. Then you can also adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, UV, and sharpen it. So let's try the brightness. You can see just the brightness of the picture. In the contrast, you can see it also changes the contrast. So saturation, UV, and the sharpen. Okay. Then you can also add an effects. This is the preset effects. You can make it cartoonized, pixelated 8-bit, and cherish. You can make a comic book. It's cool stuff. You can make it a childhood aquarel. There's a lot of feature here. This would be difficult if you use Photoshop using your computer, but here you just click it away and it will change the picture according to the preset you selected. Pretty cool, right? Then that's the effects. You can also retouch. We have here a smoother. Maybe if the picture have a blemishes, you can smoother it by dragging this circle. You can make it tanned or pitchy here. Pitchy tan. You can brighten. This picture is pretty cool. You can remove the blemishes here. You can select the width. You can just drag it here and it will remove the blemishes. You can undo. Ivana don't have blemishes, so you can add accessories here. You just download it and it will be added in this picture. Then that's it. That's for the retouch. Now we also have focus here. You can add something like that. You can increase the size. Focus. This fun. Make it linear or a circle. Circle is cool. Yes. Okay. if we put it in Loki like that. Okay. Also be recut out. Alright, this one is for the if you want to make a selection, and you can also remove it. Okay, that's it. Then just look awful now. Okay. We also have a music. Let's see what it will do. Watermark, you can insert here. Oh, it's need an internet connection, so I'm going to show it on the other video. Just comment down below if you want more specific tutorial about each of these function editing tools. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.